Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to avoid reading into the question. One of the downfalls that can cause a problem when trying to answer a question correctly is reading into the question. Some strategies you can use to prevent this include identifying the ingredients of the question, reading the question carefully, and looking for strategic words or phrases, focusing on data in the question and avoid what if systems using process of elimination.
Okay, everybody, so in addition to what my beautiful colleague just explained, we're going to be explaining reading into the question. Okay, so you need to know the ingredients of the question, which is the case event, the question query, and that there are 4 options in every single question. So the case event is information, but I like to call it the heart of the question, because the case event is information that you need to think about to answer the question. The question query follows the case event and is talking about something specific inside that very question. And then you have 4 options. Well, that's obvious because you have 4 options in every single question. You need to pick the right one, and I'm here to help you.
What does it mean to use the process of elimination? The process of elimination involves reading each option for a question and removing the options that are incorrect and do not address the subject of the question.
Oh, hello, didn't see you there. Since I've got your attention, let's talk about some nursing strategies to help you read into the question. Always read every single word in the question. Don't leave any out. And then you got to focus your attention on specific and critical points that you need to consider when you're answering a question. So some common strategic words or strategic phrases are going to be best, early, late, first, effective, high priority, most appropriate, and most important. Study tip. When you approach a test question, visualize the scenario that is presented to you. Do not imagine anything beyond what is actually being described in the question. I hope you have enjoyed these study tips from me and my colleagues. You have a nice day.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to avoid reading into the question. One of the downfalls that can cause a problem when trying to answer a question correctly is reading into the question.
Now, it's recording. Okay, everybody. So, in addition to what my beautiful colleague just explained, we're going to be discussing reading into the question. Now, I'm going to be talking about ingredients of the question. So, you have the case event, which is basically the heart of the question, which is, oh my God, hang on. Oh, hello.